Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you. And it's from Burt and it's the winter skincare edit. This video is sponsored by Boots. Boots reached out to me a little while ago asking if I'd be interested in a collaboration with them. Yes, obviously I said yes. I've been a huge fan of Boots since I was little, which is quite a long while ago. But anyway, you know I love their beauty boxes. Their advent calendar was amazing this year. So yeah, it was a definite yes straight away. And they kindly sent me this to share with you. It cost £29.99. It has a value of £137. And I have a discount code to share with you, which will entitle you to have a whopping £10 off, bring it down to £19.99, and that is Claire WS. I'll pop a link to this bag down below in my description, as well as the code and any other offers and any other beauty boxes Boots currently have, so you'll find all the information down below in my description. It contains 10 beauty products, 7 of which are full size. So let's get on showing you then what's inside. I'll show you the bag first. This is a really nice bag. It's a nice size, nice neutral colour. There's no like writing or anything on it. So yeah, quite a nice smart bag, isn't it, to use for whatever, whatever you decide to do with it. And this is what they all look like inside there. First up, we've got a toner. This is by Thayers Natural Remedies since 1847. This is a facial toner with witch hazel. It's an aloe vera formula, and this is alcohol free and unscented. There's 355 mils here, and it retails on the Boots website for £14.99. Apply with a cotton pad to your face to cleanse, balance, soften and moisturise skin for up to 8 hours. It says that alcohol-free, gentle, non-drying toner acts like a remedy so skin feels balanced, purified and stays hydrated all day. Skin texture is visibly smoother, pores appear smaller and skin tone looks more even. And I've never tried this, so I can't tell you what it's like, but I just love the fact that it's got witch hazel in there. When I was younger, skincare products with witch hazel in were the first type of products that I went for. I suffered quite badly with acne from the age of about 11. You don't often see products, at least I don't, in beauty boxes that contain witch hazel. So no, I don't really like that. And the fact it's got aloe vera, so it's nice and gentle and refreshing, no doubt, as well. So yes, that's the first item in the bag. Next, we've got a product from Cetraben. This is the Pro Hydrate 5. It's a body lotion, hydrating skin saviour for dry skin. Clinically proven to target 5 signs of dry skin: 1 dryness, 2 dehydration, 3 tightness, 4 dullness and 5 irritation. It's non-greasy, fast absorbing, and there is 75 mils there. I've had a look online and this product is not available currently, but there's a huge selection from this brand and the price ranges from about £4 up until about £15–16. Did you know 50% of people in the UK suffer with dry skin? The Cetraben Pro Hydrate 5 body care range has been specifically developed to target 5 signs of dry skin to improve the look and feel of your skin. The range contains a bespoke blend of super hydrating ingredients designed to relieve dry skin symptoms and help you feel more comfortable in your own skin. It has a very subtle smell. It's nice and fresh. Yeah, very subtle. But yeah, it's left my skin feeling nice and soft on my hands. So there's that. Next we've got Bioderma. This is Sensibio Defensive Serum. Long-lasting soothing moisturising concentrate helps to slow down the premature aging of sensitive and sensitised skin by external aggressors. And there's 30 mils here. It could be purchased off the Boots website for £28. It contains tetrapeptide 10, which protects the skin barrier. Hyaluronic acid, which is known for its hydrating properties. Oh, I didn't get any there. And carnosine, which is a protective antioxidant agent. There, I've put too much on my hand. I always do this, always do it. You're not going to see much besides a wetness on my hand. It's very lightweight and liquidy, so it's absorbing really nicely into my hand. I have to smell it. Yeah, nothing at all. But again, that feels really nice. My hands are going to be so soft after this. Just on my fingertips, I can feel that it feels just super soft, you know? We've got a long-lasting, soothing, moisturising concentrate. Here you go. Next, we've got a product from number 7, and this is from the Laboratories range, and we've got a dark spot correcting boosting serum. Dark spots look noticeably reduced in 2 weeks, clinically proven, and there is 15 mils here, and you can purchase this for £34.99. It contains 6 times more lighting complex than the clinically proven serums. It can be applied to the skin morning and evening on areas that are showing pigmentation. With me, I sometimes do get pigmentation, more so in the summer months. It's when my SPF just melts away and I haven't topped up in time and the sun gets in. I usually get what's known as a mask on your face, and it's literally around my forehead here. It can go really, really brown patches, and then underneath my eyes as well. And I noticed that I'm getting quite a bit of pigmentation on my hands. You might be able to see. Can you see the difference? Yeah, you can. Can you see? I'm wondering if it's because of driving. My right hand is facing the window more than my left. I don't know. It's a bit strange, isn't it? Because in all my videos and things, I do, as you see, I swap hands. So it's not like one hand is getting more product than the other. But I wonder if this will work on my hand. So yeah, this sounds really great. What else can I tell you about it? In 2 weeks, dark spots and areas of pigmentation look visibly reduced. By 4 weeks, skin tone appears corrected. Women agreed that this booster serum gave them the best results they had seen from a skincare product, and better results than they thought possible from skincare alone. Okay, it sounds really great, doesn't it? Yeah, and then it goes into telling you how often you apply it then. And it's suitable for even the most sensitive of skins as well. So we've got a dark spot corrector there. Next, we've got something for your eyes. This is by Neutrogena, and this is new Retinol Boost Eye Cream. It's fragrance free and it retails for £23.99. Nourishes skin around the delicate eye area and prevents and corrects multiple visible signs of aging. Fades the look of fine lines and crow's feet. Brightens and evens the under eye area. Nourishes and soothes the skin. Once daily, apply 3 small dots to the under eye area. Gently pat around the eye contour, avoiding direct contact with eyes. If you're a beginner to retinol, they recommend gradually phasing it in to your skincare routine. So start off by using it, say 2 to 3 times a week as opposed to every day, and do this for about 3 weeks, and then you can gradually build up. It's just because your skin can be quite sensitive when you start using retinol on your skin. It says here, so effective that 100% of testers achieved noticeable results. Just show you what it's like, how thick it is, and yeah. Ooh, just a little bit. I don't want to waste it. There's 15 mils here, so it will last me a while. Yeah. It's just a light cream. So we've got a Retinol Boost Eye Cream from Neutrogena. Next up, we've got something for your lips. This is from Burt's Bees, and it's the original lip balm. This is a beeswax lip balm with vitamin E and peppermint, and retails for £4.49. I own quite a few Burt's Bees products. They do beautiful hand creams, and their lip balms are amazing. My eldest son, he suffers so badly with chapped lips in the winter months. His lips are quite big. I don't know where he got them from. I'm really jealous. They're lovely. But because they're quite big, not that it makes a difference whether you've got big or small ones really, but oh, it's sellotape on this as well. I really need to get myself some scissors, don't I, next to me. But he suffers badly from chapped lips, and especially at night in the winter months. And when he was little, I used to go in and see him in the morning, and there'd be blood, not loads of it obviously, but blood on the pillows, and he'd have dried like blood patches on his lips. So he's always come in to me, have you got any lip balms, Mum? So no, I'll be saving this for him. So it contains conditioning beeswax, antioxidant vitamin E, and cooling peppermint oil. I've got some Burt's Bees lip balms, but they've got a hint of a colour. I've got a reddish one and a pinkish one as well. Yeah, I can just smell the peppermint. Yeah, really nice. So that'll be going to my son. Then we've got a cleanser. This is from Simple. This is from their Active Skin Barrier Care range, Replenishing Cream Cleanser. It contains 11% ceramide boosters and hyaluronic acid for supple, soft skin. It locks in hydration, supporting skin barrier health. It retails for £8 and there's 230 mils there. It's suitable for all skin types. It's sulfate and soap free, and also cruelty free and vegan. Hyaluronic acid and panthenol supercharged with plumping hydration to prevent moisture loss, whilst nourishing dry skin with everything it needs to remain healthy. And it's a foaming cream cleanser. So there's that. We've got a few little minis now. We've got La Roche Posay. This is Pure Niacinamide 10 Serum, Anti-Dark Spots Concentrate, Repairing and Brightening with La Roche Posay Thermal Spring Water. And there's 10 mils there. So dark spots, marks, dull and uneven complexion. I thought there's 2 bottles. It's not It's just so that you can change over. There's not much information on the package, so I've just had a look online. To buy the full size, which is 30 mils, this is 10. The full size retails for £45. It's currently on offer for £36 on the Boots website. Our first 10% niacinamide concentrate, a powerful dermatologically tested formula that contains 10% niacinamide and 5% HEPES. HEPES? I've never heard of that. HEPES, which gently exfoliates. Also contains hyaluronic acid to help retain the skin's natural moisture. Tested on every skin type and tone, suitable for sensitive skins. It's a multitasking, multi-benefit serum, helps to repair the skin barrier. It's brightening, anti-blemish, pore reducing, even skin tone, soothes skin and helps reduce redness. It sounds amazing, doesn't it? I haven't tried this one before. I do like Roche Posay, especially their SPFs. Then we got Cetaphil. This is a gentle skin cleanser for normal to dry sensitive skin. It hydrates as it cleanses to soothe and replenish skin's moisture, and there's 29 mils there. And then lastly, I got a little sample, and this is Superfacialist Vitamin C Plus Brightening Skin Renew Cleansing Oil, and there's 2 mils. This is really gorgeous cleansing oil. There's only a little bit in there, but it's enough for you to have obviously a one use. I haven't had it for a long time, but I remember getting it in a beauty box and really, really liking it. But yeah, infuse vitamin C with nourishing olive oil. This unique lightweight cleansing oil transforms itself upon contact with water into a light milky texture to gently dissolve makeup and remove daily impurities. Skin is left feeling cleansed and refreshed. So there you go. Those are all the 10 products inside this beauty bag. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. We got a Thayers Natural Remedies. It's a toner with witch hazel and aloe vera. Got number 7 Laboratories, a dark spot corrector. We've got a Bioderma Defensive Serum, a long-lasting soothing moisturising concentrate. We've got a Cetraben Pro Hydrate 5. It's a body moisturiser. A Neutrogena Retinol Boost Eye Cream. La Roche Posay Pure Niacinamide 10 Serum, Simple Replenishing Cream Cleanser, Burt's Bees the Original Beeswax Lip Balm, a Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and the Superfacialist the Vitamin C Oil Cleanser. It contains 10 products, it has a value of £139, it retails for £29.99, and Boots have kindly given me a code to share with you, so you can get it for £19.99, and that is Claire WS. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you buy one for yourself, or are you watching this wondering, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.